In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to a Salesforce email template. This is an essential feature to include in your communications to ensure compliance with regulations and to give your recipients the option to opt out if they so choose. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you'll want to open Salesforce. Make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, we're going to go to the Setup area. You can find the Setup option by clicking on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. This will bring you to the Setup menu where you can manage various configurations in Salesforce. Next, we'll want to search for classic email templates in the Quick Find box. This tool will allow you to create, edit, and manage your email templates within Salesforce. By searching for it, you can directly navigate to it without hunting through various menus, making the process much more efficient. Once you've accessed the classic email templates section, you have the option to create a new template. Go ahead and click on the New Template button. You'll be prompted to select the kind of template you'd like to create. Salesforce offers several types, so pick the one that best aligns with your needs, whether it's plain text, HTML, or a custom type. After you've chosen your template type, click on Next to proceed. This will take you to a new page where you can start crafting the body of your email. Whether you're using plain text or HTML, remember that ensuring the readability and accessibility of your content is crucial. Now, in the email body, you should add your content. Here, you'll include plain text or HTML according to what you picked earlier. Here's the key part where you need to add the unsubscribe link. It's typically a simple line such as, "If you no longer wish to receive these emails, please click here to unsubscribe." With the brackets replaced by the actual link to your unsubscribe page. Once you're satisfied with your content, it's time to save your template. Saving your work allows you to test it with a sample contact. This step ensures that everything looks and functions as intended. Always remember to conduct a test run. This helps to confirm that the unsubscribe link is functional and that the template meets your expectations. That's it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your Salesforce email template. Keeping your email list healthy and compliant is crucial to maintaining good relationships with your recipients. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.